Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to find the value of x in this problem? Well, we should know that we have 3 to the power x here, and here is minus 1. It means that the value of x is not a real number because when we consider this graph, let's say we have these two lines. So the graph goes like this. It shows that the value of x does not touch this the real part, that is the value of x is an imaginary value. And let's see how we can do this. Let's note that if we have exponential of I pi, this gives minus 1, and we are going to replace it in this problem, which is here is minus 1, then we equate it with this, and we have 3 to the power of x equals exponential of I pi. And to get the value of x, we are going to introduce natural logarithm to both sides. By doing that, we have this as ln 3 to the power of x equals ln e raised to the power of I pi. So by the property of logarithm, suppose we have ln of a raised to the power of b, this gives b ln a, that is x ln 3 equals I pi ln e, where this ln and exponential, they are inverse, then they cancel each other. Here we have x ln 3 equals I pi. To get x, we divide both sides by ln 3, and when ln 3 cancelled ln 3, the value of x becomes I pi divided by ln 3, and here is the result to this problem. So where the value of x is only the imaginary, and the solution is I pi divided by ln 3. But generally, we are going to have the value of x, which equals, for any value of integers that we plug in, we are going to have 2n plus 1 multiplied by I pi divided by ln 3. And where the value of n here is a member of an integer. And as usual, we are done with this problem. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. I will see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.